said from the beginning, this is a matter that's uncontested. All members are in agreement. Both the leader of majority and minority are also in agreement. And those other members who have spoken, including the speaker, and even those members who have spoken, they are all in agreement. I think I like the direction that was initially stated by the leader of majority, which was that before we go on recess, the cabinet secretary, Honorable TJ Kajwang. I have not completed the sentence. Honorable members, honorable members, honorable minority leader, we were just trying to confirm when the cabinet secretary can be here. Consult to the leader of majority when the cabinet secretary can be here, because members are walking out before they hear the answer. What's your point of order, minority leader?
The Honorable Speaker, I rise on a point of order.
Honorable members, you're denying yourself the opportunity of a solid answer. Since everybody has spoken, we can move to the next order.
Order number 8, procedural motion, approval of a Thursday morning sitting.
You were attempting to respond to the... Would you like us to move to the, since we've already called out the next order? No, let's move to the, let's go to the, okay, honorable members, be calm. I already called out the next order because debate on that other issue has since expired. Let us proceed to our next order.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I want to beg your indulgence to withdraw the procedural motion because of the way it was worded. And Honorable Speaker, we shall be consulting with the House Business Committee members.
Going to get there. Hold on. He's just withdrawing that particular point of order. Then we'll, procedural motion.
Therefore, Honorable Speaker, with your indulgence, I beg to withdraw the order listed as order number 8 on the procedural motion to a later time, Honorable Speaker.
No, the person who's supposed to have a point of order is Honorable Wandai, not Honorable Mbui. Proceed, Honorable Wandai.
Madam Speaker, I raise a point of order. That the House has got no quorum, and therefore the House can't proceed. Yes.
Honorable members, I direct that we ring the bell for 10 minutes. The bell is being rung.
Well, the Deputy Speaker of the National Assembly, Honorable Gladys Boss, has directed a quorum bell be rung for 10 minutes. This follows the lack of quorum in the House. This was after the leader of the minority party in the National Assembly, Honorable Opiyo Wandayi, rose on a point of order, informing the Speaker that the House lacks the requisite quorum for the business of the day to continue inside the House. But what transpired before that particular occurrence of lack of order in the House? Remember that the House had already begun its business from 2:30, but the issue on the National Government Constituency Development Fund that the leader of the minority party, Honorable Opiyo Wandayi, rose to raise in the House, indicating that the members of the National Assembly, or rather the NGCDF committees, have not received the monies at the constituency level, and the House is expected, or rather set, to proceed on a long recess that will put the constituencies at a limbo. Considering the fact that in January the House will not be sitting, and it is a time or a point that most of the schools reopen, and most of the students who come from needy or vulnerable families require the funds commonly referred to as bursaries that usually cater for their school fees or financial ability in that capacity. So it is from that point that the member for the Honorable Member Opiyo Wandayi informed the House that they need to take action as a House to ensure that the monies are disbursed before the House proceeds on recess that is slated to start from 8th of this month, after the last sitting that will be on the Thursday of 7th in the afternoon sitting. And we also saw the leader of the majority party, Honorable Kimani Ichung'wah also indicating that the House is in agreement with regards to the monies that need to reach the constituencies before the recess, or before January, in order that when the schools reopen, then families who are not able to cater for their children's school fees can be able to benefit from such funds. But in his defense, or rather defending the Cabinet Secretary for Treasury and National Planning, as well as the CEO of NGCDF, the Honorable leader of majority indicated that he had earlier on engaged the CS Treasury and National Planning and the CEO for the National Government Constituency Development Fund, and that they confirmed that they will be working on that particular issue, and they will be able to avail the money before the House takes its break for the long recess that is on Thursday.
Honorable members, Honorable members, there being no quorum present in the House, and the time being 4 p.m., this House stands adjourned until tomorrow, Wednesday, 6 December 2023 at 9:30 a.m.